Hey, this is Trey Pearman, President CEO of JP King Auction Company. Today we're going to be talking about a two-step process, how to create your account on the JP King bidding platform, and also how to register to bid. You'll do so by going to jpking.com and click the Properties tab. From here, select the property that you're interested in bidding on. You will want to scroll down till you see the Register to Bid Here letters and click that link. To create an account, click Login Register on the top right hand corner of your screen. Click Register. Complete all required fields, selecting Next Step at the bottom of each page. On the Credit Card tab, please note that this is not a charge on your credit card. This is merely a temporary authorization of $1 to verify your identity. Moving on to the Terms tab, please read completely and check I agree at the bottom of the page. Then click the Complete Registration button. You will then receive an email confirming your account has been successfully created. Keep in mind you will also need to register to bid at each auction. Click Login Register and enter your user ID and password that you just created. Click the Auction of Interest and scroll down to the View Lot Details Now tab. If bidding has not opened, you will only be allowed to view the listing and select Request Approval. From there, a pop-up screen will say Terms and Conditions Required to Bid. You will need to read those completely and agree to the terms and request to bid. Please note, potentially more information and a bidder deposit may be required. Please contact the JP King corporate office for additional information and wiring instructions. If bidding has opened, you will still need to request approval. Once approved, you will see a Register for Auction button. Click Register for Auction. A pop-up window will appear with your credit card info from the registration. This is only a validation step. Click Submit Credit Card Deposit, or you may enter a new card. You are now ready to start bidding. Please enter a bid at or above the amount shown. Enter that amount and click Bid. A pop-up window will confirm your bid amount. Next, click Place Bid. Your bid has been placed. You are now the winning bidder. Our system has a max bid feature. When you place a max bid, the system will automatically bid for you up to the amount that you have entered as your max bid. At any time another person places a bid, it will place the lowest amount required to outbid that user while staying under your max amount. You will be able to follow along with the bids throughout the process. If a bid is placed immediately before closing, the bidding will be extended for an additional 5 minutes. Once the bidding has closed, you will be notified if you are the winner. If you are not the winner, your bid deposit will be returned in a timely manner. If you are declared the winning bidder, a JP King representative will contact you immediately. Upon receipt of the real estate sales contract, you will have 2 hours to complete the process and return the signed contract to JP King. You will then have 24 hours to wire 10% of the total contract price as your earnest money deposit. Your bid deposit will be applied to your down payment. Thank you for joining our video. Hopefully this has allowed you to create an account and register to bid on our platform. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions at our corporate office at 1-800-558-5464 or email us at auctioninfo@jpking.com.